Hello and welcome to Joyful Tune-ins. Today I'd like to share with you about the second coming of Christ. So what you have probably been told and what you remember from your early childhood about this certain being coming back to earth to save the world. Well, we want to give you another perspective on that. This is outside of the church doctrine. It's actually perhaps even outside of metaphysical mainstream thought. But this goes back to the ancient teachings, which says that the second coming is really the rebirth of the Christ child in the cave of the heart. And many of you today are beginning to experience that, the spiritual awakening of your sacred heart space and your divine potential, your divine presence. So again, the second coming is the realization and expression of the Christ consciousness principle in daily life, not only in your meditative states, but in your everyday living. So this is a goal for some of us here on the earth plane to be an embodied example of the flowering and birth of the Christ consciousness within the cave of our spiritual heart. So we'd like you to contemplate that. Contemplate this for the next week and see if it rings true for you, and to see where you are personally on that path of the awakening of the Christ Spirit, which is universal oneness. It is unconditional love and allowance. It is that supreme state of compassion and wisdom and truth. So until next time, many blessings. Have a great week.